Good evening, Felicia. What a difference just 2 weeks make. Now, we spoke with some fire officials earlier today, and they said a couple weeks ago there was so much moisture in the air, but today, because it's so dry and so much more colder, that they said vegetation is just dried out, and it doesn't take much to start a fire. Quaint homes inside Indian River Estates are nestled in the woods. It wouldn't be so bad if St. Lucie County didn't have a history of wildfires.
Keep it mowed down, keep the brush beat back, give fire less of a place to start and maintain.
Homeowner Jim Drake isn't taking any chances, especially after the Florida Forest Service sent out this alert. Cool, dry air and low relative humidity has increased today's wildfire potential.
It'll take all these dead leaves, it'll float up in the air all on fire towards people's houses.
Melissa Eunice said wildfires usually start small and simple.
Mowing their yard back and forth on that dry conditions, the blade would strike a rock and cause a spark.
Eunice recommends if you're doing yard work, avoid working outside on dry, windy days. Make sure you have an outside water source and always have your cell phone in case of an emergency. Back at Drake's home, he likes to keep his yard tidy.
As you can see, pulling out some wood, chopping it up, getting it out of the way so that in case something does start, it doesn't have a way to continue. Watching fires, saying, I don't want that. Yeah. Do what you have to do in order to get ahead of it.
Just a couple more recommendations is make sure that you keep your grass watered, clean out those gutters, and make sure that you also trim those vines. In St. Lucie County, Waukesha Bailey, WPBF 25 News.